Aircon's off, orange sheets are out, denim jackets are back. It's finally fall, you all. Oh my god, I think I'm gonna cry. It's my favorite time of the year and it's finally here. I have been looking forward to it, especially this year, because this year has been so rough on all of us that whatever little reasons we can find to keep ourselves happy, we should cherish it, right? So I wish that you have an amazing fall. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Parul and I hope that you have an amazing time, and for my old subscribers, thank you so much for being so supportive. So for those of you who don't know what monthly favorites are, this is basically a tag on YouTube where people try out different products in a month and then review it for you, so that if you resonate with any of these products, then you can also give them a try. Without any more further rambling, let's get into the video. Particular order, the first thing that I have is a snack sitting right there staring at me, and I'm gonna have to review it first because if I dropped even a bit of it, my mother is gonna kill me. So this right here is an ice cream from London Dairy in the flavor double chocolate, and oh my god, you guys, it is amazing. It is life changing. It is a mood lifter, and I do not exaggerate when I tell you that this is literally heaven packed in a bottle. It is so creamy, so good, and it's just I I know I'm not doing a great job, and the only job that I have to do is review a product, but it's just you have to try it for yourself because I can't speak. My mouth is watering right now. So just an ice cream that I've been loving this month, and I'm gonna have to quickly go and keep this back in the refrigerator before my mother finds out, because otherwise it's not gonna be good for any of us. So I'm gonna go and do that. Back, she did not find out. The second product that I have is a body wash from Dove in Shea Butter with Warm Vanilla. I've been using this product over a month now, and since it's gonna be winters in no time, it's such a warm smell, it's such a cozy smell that I'm gonna, like a very smart person, I've put it on my nose. Why am I like this? Anyway, I'm gonna read you the back of it, and it pretty much explains what it does. Shower experience that nourishes and pampers. Dove Shea Butter with Warm Vanilla Body Wash creates a cloud of creamy lather. Very true. The comforting scent fills your shower, leaving you in a state of peaceful tranquility, enriched with our breakthrough Nutrient Moisture, which nourishes the skin deep down, making your skin more beautiful in the long term. It says that it has got this formula, Nutrient Moisture, which nourishes your skin. Not gonna lie, it does leave my skin a little more plump and healthy, but I still have to moisturize my skin, and I personally do not enjoy the process of moisturizing my body. But then again, I do not expect a moisturizer to I do not expect a body wash to moisturize my skin, so it's okay, and it smells so good that I'm going to continue using it. So it's a thumbs up from me. So that is that. The third thing that I have is a spray sanitizer from Arya's. I've already talked a lot about this in my previous video. If you haven't watched it, I'm gonna link it in the I band somewhere here, and you can go watch it. So a sanitizer with moisturizers and vitamin E. Again, I do not expect my sanitizer to moisturize my hands, but if it does, then great. But it smells really nice. It does not have that peculiar smell of your regular sanitizers, which is great. So this is the sanitizer that I've been loving this month. So that, guys, I just realized it's so easy to kidnap me. Just make a street smell like really good, and isolated street like really good, and I'm gonna follow you. You do not have to do anything. The third thing that fourth thing, I clearly suck at maths. I cannot even number things right. But the another thing that I'm loving is this candle from Miniso, and it smells so good. A friend of mine introduced it to me, and it's in the flavor apple shake scent candle. I read it on the box that it's environment friendly, which is great. It will last you for 36 hours, which again is great. And look at the packaging, look at it. Why would you not buy this beauty right here? It's really, really nice. And it is a very warm smell, so can be used in winters and should be used in winters. So this is the candle that I've been loving this month. Another thing that I've been loving this month is these vitamin E capsules. These are Animate Vitamin E 60 soft cell capsules. This is basically a facial oil. How I use it is I chop off the head of it. This right here is a sign that I'm watching too many murder mysteries and I need to stop. But I chop the tip of it, and then I put the oil directly onto my face and leave it overnight. Wash it in the morning with a face wash. I think I saw a YouTuber using it on her channel and I wanted to try it. It has definitely helped me in my pigmentation. I read it on the internet that it helps in lightening your scars as well. I am not sure about that because maybe I haven't used it for that long, but it has definitely helped me in the pigmentation, and I would say that it has made my skin a little more healthy. So that is that. You can get it in any local pharmacy. I would suggest that you consult your dermatologist first before putting this on, because your skin and my skin are, what is that dialogue? My business is my business, none of your business. I don't remember, and I do not want any copyright issues. But skins are different. It has worked for me, it might not work for you. But vitamin E capsules is something that I've been enjoying using this month, so that is that. The thing that I thoroughly enjoyed this month is this book by Khalid Hosseini, The Kite Runner. Not gonna lie, I've read this one before as well, and this is something that is so close to my heart. It makes you feel so many emotions that you didn't even know you were capable of feeling. But it is a beautiful, beautiful novel. If you haven't read it already, please give this one a try, because you're gonna feel so many emotions. It's beautifully written. Khalid Hosseini, you are gold. You are gold. So I'm going to read you the back of it so that you get an idea what the book is about. 12-year-old Amir is desperate to win the local kite fighting tournament, and his local friend Hassan promises to help him. But neither of the boys can foresee what will happen to Hassan that afternoon, an event that is to shatter their lives. After the Russians invade and the family is forced to flee to America, Amir realizes that one day he must return to Afghanistan under Taliban rule to find the one thing that his new world cannot grant him: redemption. And it's beautifully written. It's I cannot put it in words. It is really, really an amazing book, and you have to read this one. It's beautiful. So please go ahead and give this one a read. So that. I think that I'm obsessed with this month is this beauty right here. This is, no, I'm not going to tell you your fortune, even though I wish I could, but this is a lamp, and this comes with this wooden stand. I'm going to keep it aside and show you this product. This is a lamp in the shape of a moon, and the silver thing right here is a switch, and I apologize in advance for the bad lighting, but are you all ready for the magic? Look at that. I mean, I'm obsessed with it. I cannot stop. I cannot stop. Somebody please send help, because oh my god, look at this. Wow. I can't stop. So yeah, this is the product that I've been enjoying. So that is that. The thing that I'm going to talk to you about is an app. I personally do not enjoy online shopping a lot, but after the lockdown we do not have many options left, so we have to make do with what we have. Ajio is something that I've been enjoying a lot lately. They've got some really trendy stuff, and if you are to buy some new outfits, then Ajio is the app of the month for me. The show of the month is a drama on Netflix. It's Crash Landing on You. If you're already into K-dramas, then you must have already heard about this one, must have even watched it. But if you are looking for something new to watch, and if you are into rom-coms, then you can give this one a try. It is really light-hearted, and you will fall in love with each and every character. It is beautifully written, and I'm gonna read you like a little synopsis of it so that you can get an idea what the show is about. A paragliding mishap drops a South Korean heiress in North Korea and into the life of an army officer who decides he will help her hide. I'll insert the clip of the trailer so that you can see for yourself.
난 지금 북한에 와 있다.
어디 다친 데는 없어?
이렇게 모르는 사람이 보는 앞에서 울고 있어야 되냐고.
곧 좋아질 거요. 모든 게.
리정혁 씨는 참 좋은 사람이야. 갑자기 그런 생각이 들어요. 난 리정혁 씨가 행복했으면 좋겠어.
And if you end up watching the show, then do not forget to comment it down below and tell me what's your favorite scene from the show was. Last thing that I'm going gaga over is a store, and it's 24/7. I'm not kidding. I am obsessed with that store. If I could, I would live in that store. I do not exaggerate. And if you watched my previous video, then you would know that I'm not eating anything from outside, and they've got these frozen food items, and I'm sure that a lot of other stores have it too, but it's just that there's this one particular wrap that they make, and it's just so good that I cannot stop myself from, every time I enter that store I have to have that wrap. These are all the products that I've been loving this month, and if you end up using any of these products, or if you've been loving something new, then do not forget to mention it in the comment section below. And I hope that you had a good time watching this video. If you did, then don't forget to give this one a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye!